Lufthansa passengers can now fly from Frankfurt to a number of international destinations with the Airbus A350-900. 4 of these state-of-the-art and efficient aircraft have been deployed from Frankfurt since the start of the summer flight schedule. 2 more will be added in May and July. The aircraft have been in service on routes to Seoul and Shanghai since March 30th. Denver will follow from May 1st and Seattle from July 1st. Jens Ritter, Chief Executive Officer Lufthansa Airlines. With the temporary deployment of A350 aircraft from Frankfurt, we are closing the gap caused by delayed aircraft deliveries. Lufthansa's state-of-the-art Airbus aircraft offer an improved travel experience from Frankfurt until new long-haul aircraft are delivered. Over the next 36 months, Lufthansa is expecting the largest fleet renewal in its history. By the end of 2027, 61 new aircraft are scheduled to be added to the fleet. This means an average of 1 new aircraft every 2 weeks. The A350-900 uses only approximately 2.5 liters of kerosene per passenger and 100 kilometers of flight. This reduces CO2 emissions by up to 30% compared to previous models. The aircraft is also significantly quieter.